Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for this week we are going to be doing the Yoruba bridal engagement look. So stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also let's get right into it. So you all know this process, just priming her brows to avoid sweat and oily brows later on. So using the Davis pencil number 18 to outline her brows, I'll be outlining that lightly and just filling in the brows rather. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing now. So we are done with outlining the brows, so we are moving on to concealing the brows. I'll be using a darker shade of concealer for the inner part of the brows, then moving on to apply a lighter shade of concealer for the outer part of the brows, the brow bone. Yes, that is always meant to be highlighted. So if you're just joining us for the first time here on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe, because every week I do upload a new video here on YouTube and also have my tutorials on Instagram every Tuesdays. So please feel free to be part of the family. And also, if you're new here, you're welcome. And please, I'm open to suggestions and corrections. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Thank you. So as you can see, I'm just applying the Benai Clown White eye primer all over her lids. This is going to help my eyeshadow color pop. I'll blend that out also using the Blood Cosmetics eyeshadow. I'm using a bronzy golden shade and a lighter purple on her crease. So I'll be contouring with a matte dark purple eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm blending that in and moving up to the transitioning of her crease. So I'll also be highlighting with a lighter shade of powder, highlighting her brow bone and blending it all into each other. Next, I'll be applying the glitter glue. I'll be using a pigment rather I want the eyes to pop, so I'll be using a silver, golden, and also a purple pigment all over her crease. I'm just putting that all together. Going in with my mascara, I'll be taking off the pigment fallout on her lashes and also detangling the lashes. Next, I'll be applying the eyeliner on her crease and also the inner corner of her eyes to define the eyes more. So we fixed the lashes already, and moving on to priming and moisturizing her skin. So after we are done with priming her skin, moisturizing and priming, we cleaned the upper part of her brows using the same concealer I used for the lower part. So as you can see, my model's face is darker than her skin, her body. So I'm using the shade of her chest, the shade of her skin tone to do the face. So I'll be highlighting her face using a lighter shade of concealer under her eyes, the tip of her nose, the bridge of her nose rather, her cupid bow, her chin, and also her forehead. Using the Zaran Mineral Loose Powder, I'll be highlighting and setting her face with that. I'll be setting her whole face using her shade of powder all over her face. So moving on to the lips, I'll be using a dark purple for the outer part of her lips, a lighter shade of purple for the inner part of her lips, and also going over it with a purple lip gloss from House of Tara. So after we are done with the lips, I'll be taking off the setting powder, going over it with her shade of powder on the highlighted area of her face. Going in with my blush, my purple blush from the Lady V Planet Cosmetics, and also bronzing her face with the Get Gorgeous Real Technique bronzer. Using the setting spray from Nia Makeup, I'll be applying that all over. I'll be spraying that all over her face. I'll be going in with the liquid eyeliner from Mabruk to line the eyes, to redefine the eyes again. And the last touch up, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. I'm open to suggestions and corrections. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.